very much loosely packed and we can see them a bit, but we cannot feel them. They just spread around in the air. For example, if we take this perfume bottle, now I'm going to perfume it off. As you can see, yes, we can see the molecules a bit, but then they hide, they spread, and we can feel the fragrance of perfume, but we cannot see the particles, we cannot see the gas, we cannot see the presence of gas. So the example of gas, let's take this perfume bottle, gas in a balloon. These are some examples of gas. These are some important concepts of the topic. Solids are hard because of their fixed shapes and tightly connected atoms. Solid, if heated, can become liquid, melting of ice. And we can learn more about matter by observing and experiencing our surroundings. When we see our surroundings, we see different shapes, we see different liquids, we see different environment which is carrying different types of matter, including solid, liquid, and gases. Thank you so much.